Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, Weather and Climate. We will read and understand what is weather, what is climate and what is the difference between them. We will begin with weather. Weather tells us about the day-to-day temperature and precipitation conditions. That is how hot or cold the day is and the amount of precipitation, meaning rainfall or snowfall in a day. It is the state of the atmosphere at a given time and place over a short period of time. This means weather tells us what is happening in the atmosphere at a particular time, at a particular place during a short period of time. So, weather is the state of the atmosphere describing the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. It can change within a short period of minutes, hours, or a single day. The components or elements of weather are wind, precipitation, temperature, sunshine, clouds, snow, and humidity. Now, let us see what is weather forecast. We come to know what the weather is going to be through weather forecast. So, a weather forecast is a statement saying what the weather will be like today, the next day, or for the next few days. For example, today will be a hot day, but it will rain in the afternoon. As you see in the picture, the weather forecast given predicts the condition of the atmosphere for a given area and time. It tells the maximum and minimum temperature of the day, the time of sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset. It says how the day would be and also predicts rainfall. The next topic is climate. Climate is the average weather conditions or long-term pattern of weather in a region. So, climate is the average weather in a given area over a longer period of time. Climate refers to seasons. Season is the period of the year which is distinguished by special climatic conditions. Climate predictions take a long-term view, that is, it is for a long period of time in the future. It tells how climate change will affect people all over the world. Climate change describes a change in the average conditions, such as temperature and rainfall, in a region over a long period of time. It affects our health and impacts upon the ecosystem. That is, it can affect the health of human beings, plants and animals, all living organisms, and the environment. It may reduce the size of forest, crop yields or production and affect the water bodies adversely or harmfully. This is why it is important to study climate. So, we read what is weather and what is climate. The essential or vital difference between weather and climate is the measure of time, as weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere over a short period of time, whereas climate is the weather of a place averaged over a longer period of time, often 30 years. So, the important factor differentiating weather and climate is the time. With this, we end today's lesson. Here is your worksheet. Write the answers in your copy. Use the comment section of the video for any question. Thank you.